Before we watch this video, I'll recommend you watch our Intro to Organic Chemistry video. But if you already know about the basics of organic chemistry including isomers, then head right in. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. This means that they only have single bonds in their structure, so that every carbon atom has 4 single bonds. They also have a tetrahedral arrangement. The general formula for alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. This means that any alkane which has 2 carbon atoms would have 6 hydrogen atoms, C2H6, which is ethane. Now let's take a look at some reactions involving alkanes. The first reaction would be combustion. As you probably already know, there is complete combustion and incomplete combustion. When an alkane reacts with sufficient amount of oxygen, carbon dioxide and water is produced. This is complete combustion. If methane reacts with oxygen, it produces water and carbon dioxide. If ethane reacts with oxygen, it also produces water and carbon dioxide, just different numbers. Similar to complete combustion, if there is limited oxygen, incomplete combustion occurs. The product is similar, but instead of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide or carbon soot is formed. Here's the equation for methane and ethane, but incomplete combustion. Another reaction that involves alkane is substitution, or more specifically halogenation reaction. As I mentioned before, alkanes are saturated, so there must be UV light during a halogenation. Here's an example. Methane plus bromine is bromomethane plus hydrogen bromide. Here's a visual representation to help you get a better understanding. Let's take a look at another example. Propane plus bromine. How will you know which hydrogen's place this bromine is going to replace? You will know that from the name. If the bromine replaces a hydrogen in the first carbon, it's called 1-bromo. The bromine replaces a hydrogen in the second carbon, 2-bromo, and so on. Remember, this applies to all the halogens, group 7 elements, reacting with an alkene. Well, that's all for today. If you preferred it instead of a whack in the face with your textbook, then like and consider subscribing.